In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a camera zoom in OpenToonz. A clean camera zoom is one of the easiest ways to add focus and energy to a scene, and in OpenToonz it only takes a few precise actions. We'll use the dedicated camera and let the software create the keyframes for us so the move is smooth and easy to tweak. First, choose the animate tool from the toolbar. This is the tool that tells OpenToonz you want to change transform properties over time, things like position, rotation, and in our case, scale. With this selected, any change you make to the camera is tracked as animation. Next, look to the X sheet and click on the camera column. It's usually named camera 1 by default. This step is important because it makes sure you're actually adjusting the camera and not a drawing layer. When the camera column is active, your edits will affect what the audience sees through the lens rather than altering artwork. Now move to the exact frame where you want the zoom to happen. Think of this as the moment you want the lens to start or reach a certain size. Placing the playhead on the right frame sets the timing for your move. With the animate tool active and the camera column selected, scale the camera in the viewer. Drag inward to zoom in and drag outward to zoom out. You'll see the view getting tighter or wider as you drag. Keep an eye on your framing so important elements stay centered and nothing you want cropped remains outside the camera's bounds. As soon as you change the camera's scale, OpenToonz automatically creates a keyframe. That keyframe records the camera's settings on that frame so you don't have to place it manually. It's a great way to work quickly and stay focused on the look of the shot. To turn a single zoom state into an animation, move to another frame and adjust the camera again. The difference between the first keyframe and this new one is what creates the motion. More frames between the two keyframes will produce a slower, more gradual zoom. Fewer frames will create a faster, punchier move. You can repeat this at different frames to fine-tune the pacing, making the zoom ease in or ease out simply by where you place those adjustments. That's all there is to it. Select the animate tool, target the camera 1 column in the X sheet, choose your frame, scale to set the zoom, and let OpenToonz generate the keyframes as you refine the timing across additional frames. With just these steps, your camera work becomes part of the storytelling.